This is Yogi here from CMTI College Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
So, I'm Adarsh Mohan, sir. I had completed my engineering in SJBIT college, and I joined CMTI course on quantity surveying using Excel.
How did you come to know about CMTI?
I got to know about CMTI from my uncle, sir.
Okay. Which course you have joined here? Okay.
PS course.
So, what are the things you have learned during your training?
Yes, I learned all the basics things, how to calculate quantities of various from the foundation to the structural part.
Tell us about your interview process.
There was a two-round interview in my firm. First round was the general round, in which they asked about the introduction, their basic knowledge about me, and I asked my past experiences about my work. And the second round was my technical round, and I got selected through that.
How was the support from the trainers, um, HR, and the coordinators?
Yes, sir. It was a very good experience from the trainers, HR, and faculty members in the CMTA. There was very friendly, and they used to clarify and clear the doubts then and there only. And it was a very good experience from my side, sir.
Okay. What about the site visit? Have you visited any site, factory visit, showroom visit?
Yes, sir. I visited site visits and showrooms. Sir. Oh, it was a very good experience to go.
Where you are went and what have you learned there?
Yes, sir. In showroom visits and site visits, I learned about the materials and what are the properties about it and where it is applicable and what are the things they used to transport the materials or import or export. It was a very good experience, sir.
Fantastic. So now, what do you like to tell teenagers and the people, students who would like to join
So
CMTI?
I would recommend, yes, I would recommend my friends and my juniors who are needed to learn the extra course apart from their academics.
Okay, congratulations again. Like you got placed and got also completed your course also. So wish you best luck for your future.
Thank you very much, sir.